Hello, this is Daniel again. This is the fourth video for January 23rd, 2023. And right now it's about 11:54 and it's like a snowflake out there. And right now they just put up the white tiles into like the back wall. Nothing in the front yet, but they're still working on it. Yep, and they put the front door on there too. I didn't expect it. And it's still in the high might be 37 degrees out there today. This is the first 3 weeks they are actually working on. Yep. Hopefully later when this is over, it's going to have to be the aftermath of what they did, and I'm going to take you on the other side if these guys ever leave. They putting up folding tiles like cover the walls. Yeah. I don't know why they had to work during like this when the bad weather. I've been doing this for nearly 2 years since they chopped down the trees here. Yep. Covering up more things for like the back walls or something. I only see these 3 men working. Almost near like lunchtime anyway. It's like almost near 12 o'clock. Because right now it's about specifically like 11:57. So it's like snowing in Russia. Yep. Right now, things have been happening in Russia with the Ukraine war and everything. Blame it on the Billionaire Pudding. He's the one he's ruling Russia and also like destroying everything in Russia. Like people work for all these years. A few weeks ago I saw like they tear down buildings and such. Like businesses and apartment houses, everything. They just measuring, like putting that on like that tile on the roof or something. Yep. At least they didn't make it bigger. They made it like medium, like between small or big. Right now it's about 12 o'clock right now. That means like high noon, means like for lunchtime, yep. Long as the snow is not sticking. It's just like wet snow. Well, there you have it, folks. They put up the wall finally, and now they're gonna work on the other side. Might take like a little while. And I guess that wraps it up for this four-part of the update video for January 23rd, 2023 construction videos. I'll see you next time when I have more of the updates when they're actually doing it or just changing it and whatever. Until then, I'll see you later for more action of the construction. This doesn't last that long. We'll see you later, and I'll keep you posted. Bye, folks. Oh.